Hello viewers, welcome to Hotel Grand Park. There are many facilities for you. Facilities are complimentary services, health club, daily newspaper, daily mineral water, local telephone call, free Wi-Fi, fruits basket, breakfast at restaurant, welcome drinks, laundry service, mini fridge in room, 24 hours room service, etc. Reception. Deluxe room, deluxe twin, premium room, park suites, interconnecting rooms, family suites, Burn and Brew Cafe, Bell's Dinner, Southgate Bouquet Hall, Conference Room, JD Lounge, Gymnasium, Swimming Pool. Hotel Grand Park, Borishal. Courtesied by porjotonbd.com, a website of Porjoton BD Tours and Travels. Contact for reservation 0171 3056 368, 0177 646 7789. Photography Nahid Akhtar, Videography Sabiba Ali, Voice Shathi Bonik, porjotonbd.com. Thanks for watching.